Today we prepare chicken recipe hunter chicken. You will see in this video how to make it with a sauce with mushroom thick that you will learn today how to thick a sauce. A bird. It's the typical French dish. This way. Voilà. It's a family dish. Huh? Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will make chicken recipe hunter chicken. Poulet sauté chausseur in French. It's one of my favorite dish. Here we have a farmer chicken, label rouge in France, some mushrooms, some butter, oil, onions, cuttings of mushrooms, carrots, shallots, tarragon, and bouquet garni. I will tell you after what is it. A little bit of garlic and dry white wine of your choice. What you will see in this video, it will be interesting because we'll do two things. We will do the recipe chicken hunter and we will do the stock to do the sauce of this chicken. It's very simple and very tasty. And as well, once again, we don't throw nothing in the garbage. It's very important. My philosophy, zero waste. So our chicken is nice, it's completely clean. So it's ready to be cut. Word by word, cut in raw. It's to cut the chicken in part when it's still raw. It takes around 1 minute when you used to do it. So today I will do it slowly and you can see what we need to do. You take the chicken, if you're right hand, you take the chicken this way and you take the leg and you take care to don't cut here, to cut the skin of the breast because you want to have skin in the breast, so you cut this way and after you turn, so we will take it this way. Voila. This part is the best part of the chicken for me, more tender, tasty. And after this, with the hand you crush the bone, crack, and we follow the bone, follow the bone, follow the bone. Now we will cut the breast in this half. So you follow the central bone this way. It's very simple. Here you have a V bone like this, okay? Like we call it in France, victory bone. And now we finish. We follow the bone like this in order to take maximum meat in the portion and less in the bone. And we have a full breast with the breast and the wing. We cut this point and we make it nice. So we put it vertical this way and just cut like this. The same for this one. Crack. Now to make nice the legs and to give more flavor to the stock, we will cut this part of the leg in this place. We will take the V bone or the wishbone this way and that's all. And this will be our stock for this recipe. So we just need to cut in order to fry them and give a nice flavor and nice Maillard reaction to our stock, which must be brown color. We need to fry these bones, this piece of bone with a mix of oil and butter in a pan. You can put some butter and we need to caramelize all these bones. We heat up butter and oil. When it's hot, we listen this noise. We fry the little piece of bone. We will boil it for around half an hour. In the time for you to finish all the recipe, to make a garnish. Take another clean board. I didn't tell you, but every time wet paper to stabilize your board. So I take a little bit advance, I cut half onion. I will show you how to cut mirepoix. So mirepoix is this way. I cut not to the end, and around 1 centimeter, and that's okay. For the carrot, cut a little base like this, and now you have a stable carrot. And the same, around 1 centimeter, little cubes, voilà, to fry them and to give more flavor to the stock. Bones are okay. Let's put our garnier. A little secret, not like this, you will kill your knife. Do this. Now we also fry these vegetables, some pieces of mushrooms that I clean already. And now we should make a bouquet garni. You will have green part of leek, bay leaves, 2 types of thyme. Today it's a recipe with tarragon, so instead of parsley I will put the tail for this part of tarragon, but usually we put parsley. So we put like this, make a big kind of big cigarette, bay leaf, thyme, up, we close, we can use the second one, and we have bouquet garni. Well, we fix it like this way. Our bouquet garni is ready. Now let's look to the bottom of sauté pan. We see many tastes here and many color, and this all the taste that we will have with our stock. So now we will déglacer. We are not making now a sauce, we are making a stock. If we're making a sauce, now we will add some wine and after some stock, but we are making a stock, so we add water. For this we add water. And you listen this very nice noise. Garlic and bouquet garni. And now we will make déglacé to take all of the taste which you saw in the bottom of the pan in order to give it to the stock, which you can see already the very nice, let's say, golden color. I forget to put a little bit of pepper and a pinch, a very little pinch of salt, because usually in stock we don't have to put salt. A pinch. Now it's boiling, so we put down fire and we let it cook for around half an hour to reduce in a slow fire. This needs to evaporate now for around 30 minutes. So the stock is cooking. Now let's cook the chicken. This is oil, this is butter. We take the chicken and we will put in flour, but before we need to season it. If we put the flour first, the salt won't be in the chicken. It will be just outside but not inside. Pepper as well, a little bit, and flour. Up, up. And now when the butter is nice, we put in the side of skin in the pan. I start with legs because legs will cook a little bit more time. Well, when chicken is nice color like this, we turn it. Nice color every side. And now we finish the cooking in oven around 15-20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 180 to 100 degrees Celsius. And I say between 15 and 20 minutes because every chicken is different. We will émincer, so this way, little slice of mushrooms, like this. Now we will ciseler shallot. Ciseler, it's to cut very little cubes. This is a thick knife, or we need a thin knife. We cut a little bit here, not till the end, not this, but this way. And as thinner as we can. And we have very little pieces of shallot. And now remaining only tarragon, which is already in leaves, fresh tarragon from our garden, cut tarragon. Check the chicken, 10 seconds in the leg, and it's very hot, it's cooked. You touch your lips this way, and if it's hot, it's very hot, you cannot stay like this, your chicken is cooked. Now we will take the chicken and let it rest. Meanwhile we will end the recipe and do the sauce. So you put in another pan, or maybe in the dish you will serve it as you want. All this juice, usually people will say dégraisser, take off fat. I will put it a little bit here on the top because I like. And in this pan we will finish the sauce. Frying the mushrooms. You can cover your chicken this way. Now we can add shallot, also fry them. And now, little secret, usually we use veal brown stock which is already thicked, and you don't have this, and you have only your chicken brown stock that you made, but it's not thick. So that is why you will learn to thick a sauce and to make a beurre manier. Beurre manier, it's butter and flour, 1 for 1. You will need it to make your sauce thick, so you just mix them. And this is one way to thick your sauce. So now we end the sauce, and it's a traditional way to make many brown sauce. Fry something, make it stick in the bottom of the pan. I'm from Gascogne, so I put armagnac, of course. So flambé. J'ai eu peur. A good flambé. Now it smells fantastic. Déglacé with white wine in this case. And you take all the taste which is in the bottom of the pan. You need to evaporate. Alcohol. Our stock is fantastic. This was 30 minutes. And we put our stock. And now we will finish the sauce. We need to make it thick. Tarragon. I put the half part. Okay, so now in the boiling sauce, so we add some piece of beurre manier like this, little by little. To check the consistency of your sauce, there is only one way, with a spoon. And with the spoon, we look if the sauce is thick. As you see, it's not. So we add some beurre manier till the moment it will be thick. Sauce fit à la nappe, and I tried, so I need more pepper. I like pepper, and a little bit more salt. The sauce is finished, the chicken is rest, and as all sauce, as many sauce, we finish with some butter to make it shiny, to make a long taste without any fire. We monte au beurre. Come back to put the chicken here. Voila. The breast. Another breast. Now we will pour a little bit of sauce on the top, this way. Voilà. It's a family dish. It's a friend dish, family dish. We add the remaining tarragon to give the fresh flavor of this fantastic aromatic herb when you will open the lid. And today we will eat it with some fried potatoes. Write in comments if you want to see any sauté potatoes, fried potatoes, which potatoes you want to see. And we will enjoy a lot. See you soon and bon appétit!